In this video, you'll learn how to change your hotel booking on Expedia when you don't see a change button on your reservation. This situation is really common, especially for non-refundable bookings or special discounted rates. So we'll go through exactly what you can still do and how Expedia's virtual agent can help. First, let's set the scene. You've already booked a hotel through Expedia, and now your plans have changed. Maybe you need different dates, a different room type, or you just realized you made a mistake during booking. You go to your itinerary, expecting to see an option to change the reservation, but there's no change button anywhere. This often happens with non-refundable or Expedia special rate bookings where changes are more restricted. Even so, it's still worth trying, and the best way to do that is through Expedia's support tools. Start by going to the main Expedia website and signing into your account if you haven't already. Navigate to your trips or itinerary just so you have your booking details handy. You don't need to do anything on this page yet, but keeping it open can be helpful when you're talking to support because they may ask about your travel dates or hotel name. Now look toward the bottom right corner of the Expedia page. You should see a small support or help icon, usually shown as a blue speech bubble or chat icon. This is your gateway to the virtual agent, which is Expedia's automated support assistant. Go ahead and click that blue speech bubble. A chat window will open on your screen, either sliding up from the bottom or popping up as a small box. Inside this chat window, you'll see a prompt or a message asking how it can help you today. In the text box, type the phrase "change my hotel" and send it. You don't need to overthink the wording. That simple phrase is enough to tell the virtual agent what you're trying to do. The system is trained to recognize that request and guide you through the right options. After you send "change my hotel," the virtual agent will respond with follow-up questions or a menu of choices. Typically, it will ask you to confirm which booking you want to modify, especially if you have more than one upcoming trip. It may also explain any restrictions that apply to your reservation, such as non-refundable terms, date change rules, or possible fees. From here, just follow the prompts it gives you. The virtual agent can often check whether your hotel allows changes, show you available new dates or room options, and in some cases process the change directly. If your booking really can't be altered, it will usually tell you that clearly, and it may offer alternatives like contacting the property or reviewing other stays. A couple of tips as you go through this process: keep your booking confirmation open in another tab so you can quickly reference your dates and hotel details when the agent asks. Also, take your time reading each message from the virtual agent. Even though it's automated, it's designed to walk you step by step through the options you still have. By using the support or help icon and telling the virtual agent to change my hotel, you're using the exact path Expedia expects for tricky reservations without a change button. Follow its instructions carefully and you'll know for sure whether your hotel stay can be adjusted or what your next best option is.